Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, in this video I am going to show you how to change app default setting on Android phone or any banking default setting. So let's go to the process. First of all, we will go to phone settings. So let's find the app, I mean settings app. Go to it and find apps, or simply you can search here in search bar default apps. Let's find the default apps here. So you can see browser app, digital assistant app, home app, phone app, SMS. So these are the default apps. Where let me check with SMS app. So in the small letters it is written here, apps that allow you to use your phone number to send and receive short text messages, phone photos, videos and more. So if you are facing default SMS, default app problem in your phone, so simply you can search going through settings option and you can search simply default app and then find the apps which are already set as default app. You can tap on that and you can off turn that off. So here I guess you got the answer, you got the solution. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel.